to the Philippines.
As your words become my truth. Oh, I'm holding on to you. And as your words become my peace.
So I forgot to put vegetarian as an option if I
Won't you come and reside
stop.
in me? And I won't forget how far I've come. No, I won't neglect the promise you've given, and I will remember you're by me forever, my friend and my healer, the joy I've found in surrendering all my life to your call, surrendering all for your glory. I'm surrendering all, and I know the joy of it all is Jesus. As your words become my truth. Oh, I'm holding on to you. And as your words, they become my peace.
What's up? What's up from Cebu in the Philippines? So I just checked in with and like the hotel's not bad. We're staying at the Mandarin Plaza. Only issue I have with this place is that the Wi-Fi kind of sucks, and I booked this place for the Wi-Fi. So I booked this place because it's very near this place called the Yogyakarta Center. It's like a mall, so I thought if we needed any amenities, like we could just go there. And reason why we're only in Cebu for a day because the main purpose I'm here in the Philippines is to go to Bohol Island because I heard it's really nice, and we're staying a really long there, but we're just a day here. And initially I wanted to go to Fort San Pedro, but we're not sure like if we're gonna go because of the traffic. Like the traffic's really bad today when we landed. It took really long to get to our hotel, and we were supposed to go to Osmania Peak tomorrow because when I read online it said that to go there it was 3 hours, but like it's 48 hours according to the receptionist, and I don't know which is right, but I don't want to risk it because we have to get to Bohol tomorrow, so I think it's not a good idea to do that. And yeah, hotel is pretty okay. I'm gonna show a room tour, I don't know why, I think. And yeah, really tired after the flight, and I'm just gonna rest a bit. I already freshen up and might go somewhere later, see how. So here's the room tour. Here's the view. Okay. Hi. That's focus. That's yeah. It's just okay. Sun. It's pretty spacious. We're only here for one night, so there's the bathroom, which I'll show. pretty good bed. Yeah. It's not bad.
Won't you come reside in me, in me?